This is the Strainrite EzePull Ultra Crimp 5-in-1 tool. The 5 tasks it does is pull staples in the front there. The next 2 are used for crimping. We have the wire cutter in the back of the jaw here, and for stripping is in behind. You put the wire undergate cable in there. For crimping the electric crimps, just slide it on the undergate cable, slide it on the wire, and use the slot at the back of the tool. Line it up so it's nice and square. It's easier if you don't take large bites, it's easy to take a few smaller bites to go along there. Just work your way along the crimp. It makes a nice neat job of the large crimps. For stripping undergate cable, sit it on a slot at the back of the tool, open the handles up hard, and then if you just stand on the cable and pull it up, does a good job. Pulling out staples is made easy because of the overlocking centre on the tool, and makes pulling out post staples very easy. Because of the design of the tips and how strong they are, you can even pull out staples, batten staples that have been driven well in. There's an excellent wire cutter